deal is that I can earn money. I can earn 1,000 bob every story I publish. So that's a big deal for me because I'm a student, and that's a source of income that I didn't have before. So I'm really looking forward to that.
I'll be able to start writing, to start posting my stories at the Mwananchi Reporting, the Citizen digital platform, and in a benefit to that, I'll earn some money.
To learn about citizen journalism and how they can merge user-generated content and actually publish the stories across our platforms. And it is indeed a great initiative, and we actually urge all students across the country to take part in Mwananchi Reporting.